Hey everyone, welcome back to CODRAWGRAPHIC. In today's video, I am going to show you how to build a modern stylish loader spinner using just HTML and CSS, no JavaScript required. Whether you are working on a website, app or portfolio, this loader will give your project a sleek and professional look. Let's get started. First, let's set up our basic HTML structure. I will create a new file called index.html and write a simple HTML code. Then I will add a div with the class spinner. Now let's style the page and center the spinner using flexbox. I will set the body height to full screen and center everything horizontally and vertically. Next, style the spinner using conic gradient to create a rainbow arc effect and mask the center using radial gradient. To make it spin, use a simple keyframes animation that continuously rotates the spinner. Set it rotate 360 degrees infinitely. Let's preview the final result in the browser. And there you go, a clean, modern, animated spinner created entirely with CSS. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more CSS tricks and tutorials.